Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I have a challenge lock, and it is from Trekmaster30. Calls it When in Rome, and it is an ISEO R6 dimple lock, and look at that keyway. This is gonna be fun. The bidding on the key. As you can see, we got some, like a high, high, low, high, high, low. So yeah, it's pretty intimidating, but, we shall see if we can get it picked. Let me grab my vise. Get this thing chucked up in the vise and get on it. Okay, key does work. It's locked up. I'm gonna be using my two of my SpooXe dimple picks, one curved flag, and then one straight flag. Okay, let me zoom in on the lock, and we'll get to picking this thing. Okay, now a little focus. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna use my Z-bar and just go right here in the side and start off with my curved flag. Okay, like with all dimple locks, I just try to find the first binder. Oh, looks like we've fallen into a little false set on 5. Got a little counter on 1. Got him set. Oh, okay. Let's see, I think we're on 4. Click on him. And I think I'm going to switch to my straight flag now. And we're just going to go along picking what's binding. And number 1 is now set. Got a good click off it. See, I'm on 4. Okay, got a good click on him. 4 again. Okay, let's see. Might have overset something. No. Okay. Pin 1 set, 2 set, 3. I am using light tension. This lock you just can't bully it. Okay. Oh, I went to a really deep false set on 5. And seems like number... Well... And we're open on 1. Awesome. Let me zoom out here. And get back in frame. Okay, now... As you can see... We are open. Okay, put that there. Get rid of the vise, and get our pinning tray. I'm going to use this little guy. And I'm going to go ahead and lock it up since I do have the key. Okay. Remove this clip on the back. I love dimple locks. I haven't had too many people, or there isn't that many people making dimple challenge locks as far as I know. But this was a real fun one. Damn. Okay. Get off there. Alright. Now, we're gonna put the key in and turn it about like that. Yeah, let me get a shim. Shim, 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 shim. Okay. Stick that shim in there. Alright, now, got my Keydex follower, and there we go. Now, as you can see, all 6 pins are in and working. Well, let's see if we can't get a little focus on it here. Okay, let me zoom in one click. Okay, well, give me just a second here. Come on. There we go, okay. Now, all 6 pins in and working. Now let's see. Get this key out. And see if we got any. Yeah, it looks like, well, I think number 2 is an overset. Okay, yeah, number 3 is an overset trap, which barely needed to be picked, but still needed to be picked. Let me dump all these pins, and I will give you a close-up. Oh, looks like we got a pin and pin. Okay. There's our overset trap. Another pin and pin. Trekmaster sure does make some great challenge locks, and this is definitely a great one. Nice pin work here, and I haven't even got to the drivers. And as you can see, chambers 1, 2, 4, and 6 are threaded, and then 3 and 5 are standard. Let's see what's up in the Bible. Okay. Number 1, we got a graduated spool, serrated, and a steel spring. Okay, number 2, got another one of those serrated spools and a copper spring. Number 3 is a very serrated pin. And another copper spring. And number 4 is another serrated spool with a copper spring. Number 5 is another serrated spool and another copper spring. And number 6 is serrated, and another copper spring. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we don't have any modifications to the Bible. Okay, let me bring this in for a close-up. Show you these awesome pins. Okay, now, let's see here. Alright. See if we can get some focus on it. Come on, there we go. Okay, in number 1, we had a serrated key pin, and then key pin number 2 is a serrated pin in pin. 3 is our overset trap. 4 is another serrated pin in pin. Very nice. 5 is a serrated, and 6 is a standard. Up in the Bible, we have a serrated spool in 1, a serrated spool in 2, a very nice serrated in 3, a serrated spool in 4, a serrated spool in 5, and a serrated kind of a graduated spool in 6. Alright, that's and of course steel spring, copper. Alright, that's some nice penmanship, Trekmaster. That's really nice. Okay, if you liked my video, found it entertaining and helpful, then hit that like button. And if you want to see more of me, subscribe for more. Till then, everybody be safe and keep on picking.